I'm out of breath. This motherfucker's smoking. Not right. Fucker. The man. What the hell are you carrying?
All the shit you told me I didn't need.
I love you too, dumbass. One shoe in, one shoe out. What do you have to say for yourself, weirdo?
It's comfortable.
Dumbass. He's very determined. Just don't ask him to make it brighter.
Won't go any brighter.
And don't ask. Whatever you do.
Fucking piece of shit.
This is Thorne Bay. A very, very quiet town. But they have showers. So yay. And they're seagulls.
Fit in the stove, it's gotta be split. You want the bear bread or not?
I don't know. Can we cut it off? Let me see. It's so pretty. Poor bear bread. No, it's alright.
Alright. What you have to remember is don't hit the piece of wood with the axe.
Okay.
Hit the ground. Beneath the axe is the piece of wood. Okay.
I cut some of that. This is all the pretty bear bread that was on the tree. So pretty.
But I finally figured out how to turn the stove down.
Zoe, what's your contribution to all this?
She's staying out of the way.
Let's go see what the man is doing. is it? What is it? Sir, anytime I point a fucking camera at you, you get out of the, you move. Why, Zoe? Why? As you can see, I have the perfect hair for camping. Keeps real smooth and unfrizzy, and it just works really well with this weather. I really should have dyed my hair before. Andrew's chopping down a, well, it's already cut down. It's a tree that's already down, and it's gigantic. I don't know why he wants to cut down such a big tree. Little man, big tree, I don't know. I didn't even know this could happen. So what's gonna happen here, Andrew? You're gonna make that gigantic piece of wood into little kindling bits?
No, I'm gonna start cussing out tools in a minute.
Why? Yeah. Damn. My God. Oh. My God, you did it. That's all the wood we have. I helped chop it down. I'm tired and want to call it quits. The Energizer Bunny keeps going and going. That's a big piece of fucking wood. Ooh. Damn. Damn. Maybe you should try your axe.
Accident don't help.
There's our cabin. Uh-oh, he's pulling out the chainsaw. He's had enough. Maybe not. cut some kindling. The man is still out there chopping wood like a crazy bitch. With that maul that's and a big beast of a piece of wood. Yay. But look, I did that. Well, I helped chop up some of that shit too. So, I'm not that bad.